Hey everybody, it's egauctions.com. It's that time of year again for our 18th annual September fall finale Red Deer collector car auction, live collector car auction event September 8th, 9th, and 10th at the Westerner Park, Westerner grounds. And we're featuring some of the incredible collections that we have coming in. They're rolling into our facility and we're going to start some promotion and photographing here in beautiful Sylvan Lake. These vehicles will all be sold at the Red Deer Fall Finale. We are selling out fast, so if you want to register your car, consign your car, your collection, get a hold of us quickly, egauctions.com. Contact us toll free as well, 888-296-0528. This is one of the vehicles that's coming out of a 25 car collection that we're selling. 1970 Dodge Power Wagon, beautifully restored. It's got a rebuilt 440 V8 engine in it. Beautiful truck. Interior is completely restored. We'll do a walk around for you. One of the vehicles that will be sold, egauctions.com. We are starting to post and consign vehicles now. We're a month out. I say we've got over 120 vehicles already. So if you're looking to consign, be sure to contact us right away on the website, egauctions.com. And we're going to be featuring a number of vehicles, a bunch of Mopars that are coming in again. It's a stunning 1965 Mustang Fastback, Shelby, you name it, we got it. We got a great selection of trucks. Next one we'll be doing is this beautiful 70 K5 Blazer as well. So this 1970 Dodge Power Wagon, 440 rebuilt, restored 4x4 will be selling at the Red Deer Fall Collector Car Auction September 8th, 9th, and 10th. egauctions.com signing out.